Oh, today we are plowing up this brand new field. Now, we let this grow up and we let it seed with grass over the past year. We did use it previously, however, we found out that the best tilling for it was not the tilling pass that we had before. So today we are re-tilling this entire field, but we're doing it on a diagonal straight down the hill so that the water paths will flow to the actual vegetables that we're going to be planting here. One of the big things about this is that we are using the all-electric rear tine tiller and the all-electric front tine tiller from Ryobi. Now this is awesome because we're doing more of a non-combustion gardening. We're really trying to charge things off solar, keep it going, and this rear tine tiller is a beast. I was able to get this done and it was so fun doing it. My wife and I love gardening because it takes my love of tools and it takes our love of gardening. We really pair them up and we have so much fun. Just like this, we're having a little race, just some of the things that we like to get done and some things that keep us happy. We're usually pretty stressed because we have 7 kids and it's absolutely insane, but another thing that makes this a lot easier as well, you just saw it, we have our nice clamp speaker and we have an awesome little fan. Now this is not without its issues. As you can see, we broke one of the shear pins and that's exactly what it did. Well, it sheared because it saved the motor. Now we got another shear pin, we put it back in, but this is what it looks like and that's how it saves the gearbox and the motors of these. So all we do is we keep a few extra whenever we hit a rock, and now we are back in motion. Now this takes a lot, and it's a lot of heat whenever we're doing this, so we do have to make sure that we're changing the batteries out, but that's not without its faults too. If we were doing this on an 85-degree day, and whenever you do this on an 85-degree day, there's going to be a ton of heat, and this is what happens whenever you have a lot of heat. Look at this battery. That is an overheating signal right there. Now take a look at this. We're going to use a thermal imaging camera and it's really going to show you how we get this done. Now all I have to do is switch the batteries, but as you can see, the ones on the far right, look at that. It's like 123 degrees. Now that, using one of these batteries, you would expect that because it gets super hot. You're using a lot of amperage to get out of there, but once we switch it over, we are back in action. And look at this, we are just tilling up this ground. Now this is fresh grass. This is really hard stuff, but that's a testament to how awesome and how great these Ryobi tools are doing. Now you can see my all-electric fleet sitting right there getting us all. We got the wagons, we got the tractor, and we got the zero turn. Now we have 10 acres over here, so we actually use these every single day. We have to get out there, we have to maintain the land, we have to maintain the garden. I got my kids out there sifting dirt. That way we don't have a lot of roots and we don't have a lot of seeding getting back into it. Now that's going to be the longest thing, but check this out. We had so much fun getting this done, and this is the diagonal, and all the water will flow right down the hills. Now let's get those batteries charged back up so we can get back out there. Thanks for watching. This was so much fun for us to do, and we like to share it with you. Here's a little behind the scenes just so you can see how we film some of these things. I have a 25-foot selfie stick, and well, we like to mimic a drone where we can't usually have a drone. I look like an idiot to all my neighbors, but they understand what I'm doing. And it's embarrassing sometimes, but at the end of the day, the finished product is what you see out here. Please like, please subscribe. If you liked what you saw, share it as well, because we are trying to get people using their tools again, and this is so much fun for us. Thanks everybody for watching, and we're going to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye now.